You like shorter hair, Krisa? Because you are beautiful. You have a long nose. It's good for you. Short bangs here or above here. You want the the bangs like this under your eyes, and then you want to make it like that. Mm, to make it design. Yeah. Or you want to until here. The bangs is here like that. It's not good. But I like bangs is like this and then you make it like that. Mm-hmm. And then you put headband and you clip your hair. Lois, hello Lois. What do you think? My hair is real or fake? Looks like a wig, but it's so tube. You are so funny, Lois. No, I don't like short hair, but I do love cotton bangs. Really? I saw here in Indian people, kids, they like bangs. Some of them have a bangs, cotton bangs. This is my real hair, Lois. What do you think? Well, the cotton bangs are the wavy and they are like bangs. You like a wavy bangs? Cotton bangs? Oh yeah, the wavy bangs. I like the straight one. On the side, if you see on Google, you will know what I will see later. They are absolutely beautiful. Well, I think that I will search it. What the curtain bangs? I will search. I will search automatically. Directly from the Google. Google, I need you. Your hair is long and shiny. That's, I think it can be a wig, but oh, Krisa, Lois, you believe that this is my real hair. Thank you, Lois. Uh, wait. Ano, what is that? Curtain here? Curtain bangs? Curtain bangs. Thank you, Lois. Ah, this one. Oh, you want this one? See my daughter. I don't know why my daughter like this hair. Uh-huh. Like that, wavy hair. He Your hair is long and shiny that I think it can be wavy. But thank you, Louise. Yeah, this one is nice, Krisa. I love it. Krisa, my daughter is, no, she cut like this. I don't know who cut with her. Maybe she bring a scissor in the school. You know, when she come home, my auntie is angry because it seemed like this. Look, what? You can see? Wait. Like this. Did you see it? Yeah, the hair like that. I tell her, please don't cut your hair, please. Because if I'm going home, I'm the one who cut her hair properly. I will give her design. She have a nice hair. Oh, Krisa, you don't have internet. You're gone in my life. Lois, where are you?